Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we got a drone. So it's ages 14 and older. It recommends for flying. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get in the box. Now they do have it nice and positioned really nice. They show you all the features right on the remote control, so that is a big plus. Tells you how to use it, how to pair, how to do all that stuff. Very nice. This is the controller itself. So this is probably, let's see here, yes. Up here you pull this out, and this is for your cell phone, to hold your phone if you use your phone with it. On the bottom here you have your on and off button. On the back you're going to have to add batteries. We'll check that out. You got your camera, record. Over here you have your play, not your play, but your drone speed, different levels there. And you got other buttons on the side. Make sure to refer to your manual for more information. So let's go ahead and see everything else. So you get two batteries. This is a 1200 mAh battery, 3.7 volts, and same for the other one. So this is your drone, how it looks. Obviously it's still closed. Press and hold the power button to turn it on. So guys, this is the drone open. They give you your USB charging cable. We're gonna go ahead and plug one of these in, get it charged up. It should turn green when it's done. Not 100% sure on that, but most of them turn green when they're done. Check your manual for more information. It is extremely lightweight, so on very windy days, I don't recommend flying it. Let's go ahead and see what batteries you need. They give you extra blades and also a screwdriver in here, as well as it looks like either landing gear or blade protectors for your drone. So let's go ahead and see what kind of batteries you need. So guys, you need 4 AAA batteries. All right, let's go ahead and test out the flight. So guys, it is extremely windy today, and like I just said, don't fly when it's extremely windy. However, we are a professional. I've reviewed and flown over 50 drones, so I think I can handle it. We'll find out. Go ahead and turn on your remote first, then go ahead and press and hold to turn on your drone. It should light up and blink red. That means you're ready for pairing. All right. Now it's solid, so we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and show you the flight. So it's extremely windy. Fly lower if you can. Now our battery's getting low, but if you fly lower, you're gonna have better control. But as you can see, the wind is taking this thing like crazy, but it's actually doing a pretty good job. So I actually really love this drone. It's very nimble. So if you guys can see, look how nimble it is, left and right, up and down. So forward and reverse is very nimble, very impressive. So yeah, this is one of the most nimble drones I've reviewed. I mean, look at this, guys. You see how I'm moving it around, how quick and nimble that is? So the battery is dead, but... So as you guys saw, one of the most nimble drones I've reviewed. It's a very good drone. If the brand keeps at it, they're going to be a very good drone competitor. Very nice.